I'm back now, and I've been posting about things like the iPad. Yeah, in the past I've not really posted about the iPad. If I have, it's been in a kind of negative light, but now I'm posting about the iPad in a positive light, doing some daily drawing videos. Yeah, so why the sudden change of heart about the iPad? I'm not flip-flopping on it. I was posting in the past about the previous iPad, not the newer generation of iPad. Now I'm posting about the iPad Air 4. If you look at my old iPad videos, I was posting about what that could do, and even, I did do little draw tests when I went into the store, etc. So I felt that the old iPad wasn't up to scratch in terms of its operating system, in terms of the hardware, and in terms of the fact that it wasn't powerful enough, and also it didn't have a decent version of Photoshop or other professional applications. Now the iPad Air 4, the iPad Pro does have a decent version of Photoshop. It is very powerful and can do large files, etc. So I am happy. If you watch any of my latest videos, they're kind of tutorially, which is great, especially for younger artists and for pros looking to see what they're actually capable of. So yeah, really happy there. There's a lot more videos on that coming. While I was away, I built up a good stock of videos. I didn't want to post just a couple of videos and kind of disappear again. That would have been dreadful. So I made about 50 videos, put those on my channel, kept them hidden, and then started releasing them over the first 2 weeks. I released, a new video every day for the first 2 weeks, and now I'm releasing a new video about twice a week, and that's going to be my schedule from now on. So yeah. So I've got about 30 videos in the bank. I've got another 50 that just need editing, and that's not really hard, the kind of videos that they are. I also have a bunch of tech that I've collected over the last year, 6 months. I apologize to the companies that have sent me that tech. But yeah, I've not been well, and I've not been in the right headspace, which I'll talk about in a minute. So lots more content to come, basically. So let's talk about the reason I've not been around. Yeah, so I was hit by a COVID-related issue, an extreme reaction, basically. I couldn't walk at all. Yeah. When you can't walk, you can't make content. I was also, because of this, not in the right headspace. That's as much as I want to say on the issue. I don't want to say any more. I don't feel it's right. I haven't posted a single thing about this on social media, on any social media. Some people who just got COVID, and I didn't just get COVID by any means, like I say, extreme reaction. Some people who did just get COVID posted about it all over social media, and even did Kickstarters. I didn't feel that was right at all. I felt that was a bit scummy, to be honest. Yeah, I felt that was a bit scummy. And I didn't want to do that. I didn't tell a lot of people about what happened to me. Even in private, I didn't tell a lot of people. So yeah, I'm telling you now, but I don't want to tell you any more than that. In fact, in this video I won't bring it up again. This is the first time I've ever mentioned it publicly, and I don't feel good about that. So what are we gonna do? Well, I'm back now. I'm making regular content, and I hope you'll hit subscribe and hit like. The YouTube algorithm isn't being friendly to me at all. It's not helping people find my content since I've been back. My regular subscribers, some of them are being really nice and helping me, but yeah, I really need your help in terms of sharing, in terms of subscribing, liking, hitting that notification bell, just so you can find me now that I'm back and making regular content. That would help new people and my subscribers find me. So please do, because I've got some great content coming up. Like I say, I've got a lot of it in the bank, so I'm not going to disappear again. The reason I disappeared, obviously, that caused me to disappear. It wasn't just like I disappeared. And now I am back in full force. The kind of content I have coming up is the same content I had before. Tech reviews for digital artists. The iPad stuff is very tutorial-y, as well as being very reviewy as to what the iPad can do. I also have some accessory videos coming up for the iPad. I also have a lot of accessories for digital artists coming up, and I also have a lot of newer content that I haven't done before coming up. So whether you're new to this channel, whether you've seen me before and not liked me, I don't know, whatever you're into, if you're a digital artist, I think I have a lot of content coming your way that you'll really enjoy, and it's worth subscribing, checking me out. I think realistically that's pretty much all I have to say and share today. I'm asking for your help, basically, and I think that now that I'm back, I hope you'll stick with me. Today, anything you want to ask, feel free to ask in the comments below. Even though I've been away, I've still kept my nose to the grindstone in terms of the professional work, the professional art that I've been doing. I've still been talking to tech companies, helping them improve their products as a UX researcher, which is basically somebody who gives feedback, tests products, everything like that, you know. So I still know everything that's going on in the world for tech for artists. I'm going to be doing some nice stuff with some nice companies coming up for companies who do tech for artists. So yeah, I will speak to you all soon. Like I say, stick with me. I'm not just asking for your help, I'm saying that there is some great content coming up in response for that help. I will speak to you all later. Have an absolutely great day. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash it to bits. I'll see you all later. Have a great day.